So one last question. I know you have to rush for another meeting. You have had two round tables, one with the Singapore Semiconductor body and the other is the Apex business body and trade and business body where you address the governing council and executive body. And in both, you not only pitched for Telangana, but you also have inviting everybody for a major conference to be held in Hyderabad. If you could discuss and tell us a little bit about these interactions with the two professional trade bodies you've had and the kind of response you've got.
Yeah, specifically, the two productive meetings what we had with the Singapore Business Forum and all other business forums which were present on the day, they were sounding very energetic, they were sounding very positive to come forward and put their investments in terms of fab industry, the semiconductor industry. And they were very keen because Hyderabad is such an strong ecosystem. They would like to come forward and put their investments in there and try to contribute and try to collaborate with the state of Telangana, one. And second thing is, when we had, other business meeting with the semiconductors, and they were also very keen. So both the business meeting went very productive, and the Chief Minister explained the broader features, what shall we look into, and we are industry friendly and investor friendly, and ease of doing business is absolutely clear over there. And on behalf of the government of Telangana, we have given them the trust and the confidence to come and invest so that their existence over there will be far-fetching than if and taking another route to India. And we had appealed to them, we should be a gateway. Hyderabad and state of Telangana should be gateway to India. And they were very, very sounding, very wishful, and hope so. They'll come and invest. In the process, we have requested them to come and take part in the session what we are trying to planning in the month of April, that Bharat Darshan program, what we are planning to do it in big way to seek investments in the state of Telangana, that too in Hyderabad, and also see that their participation in this business meetings over there in the month of April will be too productive.